Hi, my name is John Adams and I'm a Pop-On Veneers customer. I bought Pop-On Veneers because I was very insecure about my teeth. They had been broken for years and the back ones were missing and, obviously some discoloration. I just wanted to be more secure about my smile. And just talking to people, I work with people in the public, so I wanted to be confident in my smile and confident whenever my teeth were shown and seen. My veneer journey, I had found Pop-On Veneers on social media, Facebook. I've always seen their posts, Instagram. I've always seen their posts, and I was always very skeptical. I thought, for that price, there's no way that it could be and do what it says it does. So I went through some reviews and I seen people say that they loved it and they would do it again. So I decided to just give it a try, and that was the best decision I've ever made. I've had Pop-On Veneers now for just a few months, but I've already ordered my spare kit, top and bottom, just because, like I said, I've been so much more confident in my smile and just talking to people in general. It has brought me such a relief. As you can see, I'm missing the sides of my teeth, and that was the part that I was most insecure about. So I decided to give Pop-On Veneers a chance, and man, pop right in, brand new person. I love it. I would choose it every time. So if you've been wondering, if you've been questioning, if you've been hesitant on buying Pop-On Veneers and giving it a chance, don't waste any more time. Please go and order your pair. I promise you, you will tell everybody about it and you will feel a million times better about yourself. Hurry up and order your pair.